Kristen with Westside Construction. I'm here to do a repairability test on this roof. I'm using the insurance approved roof snake to complete this. So as you can see, this is the wind blown shingle. There's multiple on here as well, along with hail damage too. This does need a full roof replacement, but we're going to start here. I've got to unseal the rest of these shingles right here, the ones on top, and then the ones on top of there, in order to get this out to successfully do a repairability test. So I'm going to start by going underneath with my roof snake, gently going to start unsealing these shingles. And then here's where this 3 tab starts. You can see it start right here, so I got to go over 3. So I've actually got to seal the ones over here. Now that I got all of this unsealed, the first step is to get the nail out. So there's a nail right there. Gonna go underneath with my roof snake. All right, I'm gonna leave this right here. As you can see, this is what it has done, trying to get this nail out, completely cut this shingle across. Already showcasing this roof is not repairable, but we're going to continue on. The next nail is right here. All right, take another look. Did the exact same thing. Similar to what we've been seeing. Right. Happened again. Yeah, this roof's not repairable. I haven't even started to begin getting the second row of nails out. And you can already see the damage that's done. Take a look at that. Take a look at this. Complete. completely ripped right here. Cannot successfully perform their prescribed repairs that you guys are stating without damaging the other shingles in the process. Alright. So this has damaged about 4 shingles, just trying to repair one. This is the shingle that we were supposed to just replace. In the process, it has damaged all the shingles around it. This roof is not repairable. We're gonna go ahead and send this off to you guys to review yourselves.